Hey everyone, and welcome back. Is your Slack getting messy with replies? In this video, I'll show you how to use threads to keep your conversations organized. First, find a message you want to reply to. Hover your mouse over it and click the reply and thread icon that appears. This opens a threaded conversation on the side. Type your reply here instead of in the main channel. When you're done, hit enter to send. Your reply stays neatly contained in the thread. Keeping the main channel clean, to view all replies to a message, just click on the thread icon below the original message. You can see the entire conversation history there. You can also start a new thread from any message by clicking the three dots menu and selecting Start a Thread. Using threads helps reduce channel noise and keeps related conversations together, and that's it. You now know how to use threads to maintain organized and focused discussions in Slack. If threads help clean up your workspace, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.